So something else that I needed to protect my garden from rabbits mostly was an electric fence. So I wanted to do a quick video on that and show you that I got this charger at Lowe's for I think $35. And so I just put it into just a tackle box just to kind of protect it from the weather. And then I drilled some holes in the box and put some grommets in there, and then ran this wire. One of them has to be grounded, and then the other one just kind of runs. It's a single end. But I've got it tied to some PVC that I put about every 3 to 5 feet around the perimeter of the garden. And kind of see what I did there. I put a cable tie about 4 inches off the ground on each of them so the wire wouldn't drop down lower than I wanted it to. And I just put that around the whole perimeter of the garden, and then I have it on a timer, so it comes on at 9 o'clock at night and turns off at 8 in the morning, just so I can let the dog out if in the yard and not have to worry about her getting her nose shocked. But yeah, it's been great. That's one of the best things that I did.